Oh, you want to learn how to make this dark sensor? Come and watch the video until the end. Okay, so now for this project, you will need a breadboard, okay, a 9-volt battery, a battery clip, a light emitting diode and LED, and light dependent resistor, LDR. Fine. So now this is a very simple model. I didn't use any resistors, any transistors, okay, and so I did it all on my own, no book, nothing. So now first to do this, you will need to understand the internal connections of the breadboard. So now just look at it carefully. Okay. So now these ones in the middle can only connect in one straight line, okay, going vertically. And now these ones on the edges, they connect in one straight line horizontally across the whole breadboard. Okay, so that was the internal connections. So let's start. Now you have to place your light emitting diode LED with the positive end on your left side. Okay, just do that. Then take the LDR, okay, and make one end connect to the negative end of the LED. Okay, now take your battery clip and your ever ready battery and just connect them. Okay, and now just straighten the wire in the positive end, okay, like this, and now connect it to the positive end of the LED. Okay, so annoying. See, now I'm just twisting it like this to like make it more straight and easier to like put in, because it's like very annoying. Okay, now just put it inside. See, it has become much easier. And now to connect, I think you already guessed it, disconnect the negative end of the battery to the open end of the LDR. Okay, now as you see, this thing lights up. Okay, now as you see, when I cover this, it like it goes more dimmer, and when I leave it, it just glows more brighter. Okay, so now this is due to the LDR, because it's a light dependent resistor. So only when there is light, it'll be able to allow all of the current to pass through. And when there is like low light or dim light, or basically no light or no light at all, it won't be able to like pass that much current. So basically in the LDR, the more the light, the more the voltage supply, and the lesser the light, the lesser the voltage supply. So that's how this whole thing works. So now this was a very simple model. I hope you liked it. So I'll see you some other time in some other project. Goodbye.